tsundzuka vele mingiseri ku ta ntlhanu ra ntlhanu tlanga nkarhi lowu 7:30 kufika awara lewani ya nhungu khesini mi nga rhumela voice note ndlela liyani vele eka 0657443911 loko ri na studio kambe so ke 5 mbini lewani mingiseri u nga tatani ku va swa ku kongomisa ka Ndlovu XG rsabc.co.za kumbe u inbox layani ka swiyenge swa mabulu ka @papama MLFM nge mahungwini.
Xana bindzu ra wena ra tsandzeka ku fikelela xivono xa rona leswi swi nga endla leswaku u nga ha tiveki no rivariwa hi ku olova hi tikhasimende ta wena. Xiyenge xa vunavetisi xa SABC xi kona ku pfuna wena. Swa olova na xitichi xa Munghana Lonene FM. Rhumela email eka sales@munghanalonenefm.co.za la u ta kota ku burisana na vaxiyenge xa swa vunavetisi mahala. Hi ri swin'we hi ta kota ku tumbuluxa tindlela ta vunavetisi bya matimba leswi nga ta kota ku fikelela tikhasimende leti nga fanela. Rhumela email eka sales@munghanalonenefm.co.za. Munghana Lonene FM, makomba ndlela.
Eka Malamulele, eka Mhinga, kuyafika eka Matiriyani.
Tshama hina eka 91.3 FM.
Munghana Lonene FM, makomba ndlela. Mahungu eka SABC ya tiyimele ha woxe a ya voyameli etlhelo ro karhi. Mahungu na Lilian Hlabangwani.
Inkomo miyingisa mahungu ya awara ya nhungu hungu leri rhangeke mahlweni ka awara leyi. Xandla xa mulawurinkulu wa vachuchisi exifundzeninkulu xa Western Cape Advocate Sharon Raila u languteriwa ku yisa mahlweni ku nyika vumbhoni emahlweni ka khomixini ya Kapiti ePitori. Tolo u vule leswaku khale ka nhloko ya xiyenge xa vuchuchisi xa Milapatoi a teka swiboho hi ku langutisa xiviko xa vatsundzuxi ku sula milandzu ya swihehlo swa matirhelo vukungundzwana ehenhleni ka khale ka nhloko ya xiyenge xa maphorisa Hawks KwaZulu-Natal Johan Boysen. Raila a ri xiphemu xa xipano lexi angarheleke xiviko mayelana na milandzu ya vukungundzwana na vugevenga byo dlaya ehenhleni ka swirho swa xiyenge xa Keterman. Khomixini yi karhi ku endla mindzavisiso mayelana loko mulawurinkulu wa vachuchisi Gauteng Advocate Enrique Chauke wa ringanela hi ku fambisa hofisi ya yena. Swihatetano leswi swi humelela hi nkarhi wa ntshamo exikarhi ka mutshamaxitulu wa khomixini Besca Bide na Raila.
Madam, and any reader who would have come across your report and read that report would not have been apprised of the true reflection of the evidence in the dockets, because this was just a cryptic summary of the evidence in the dockets. Am I correct?
In the dockets, we had to analyze to get to whether the authorizations were validly granted. And I agree that we did not, whoever's going to read it is not going to find a blow-by-blow account of each and every docket or the evidence in that docket.
Wansati u baleseriwe ndlela yo vava a lova eDelft eCape Flats. Maphorisa vule leswaku mhangu leyi humelerile matolo vugevenga byo chavisa byi karhi ku ya mahlweni na hambileswi ku rhumeriweke masocha endhawini liya ku ya pfuna. Mbulavuleri wa maphorisa Wesley Twig wa hlamusela.
Police members attended to the crime scene where they found the victim in a bedroom with a gunshot wound to her head. The victim was declared deceased on the scene by medical personnel. According to reports, 2 unknown suspects entered the house and shot the victim. The suspects fled the scene with an undisclosed amount of cash and cellular telephones. The motive for the attack forms part of the police investigation.
Ku yisa mahlweni mahungu ya awara ya nhungu ku dzunga ka vuxaka exikarhi ka vandla ra ANC na SACP ku ta va hungunkulu hi nkarhi wa nhlengeletano yo hlawuleka ya huvonkulu ya vandla nhlekano wa namuntlha. Leswi ta endzaka xiboho xa vandla ra SACP ku nghenela nhlawulo wa mifumo ya miganga ri roxe. Muteki wa mahungu Ntebo Mukovo.
The ANC-led alliance is currently facing one of its most critical periods, with many viewing it as a make-or-break juncture due to some differences. The top brass of the ANC will once and for all decide on how to deal with the SACP that is contesting the ANC. There is also a serious debate on whether SACP members should continue holding dual membership, with some arguing that party candidates should not be allowed to act as both communist and ANC government members. But political pundits have warned that if not properly handled, today's meeting could signal the beginning of the end of the over 100-year-old relationship which was formalized after 1999 following the unbanning of the liberation movements. Ntebo Mokobo for SABC News.
Minhlangano ya vaaki yi koxa leswaku ku humesiwa nxaxamelo wa vaxanisi hi timhaka ta masangu. Minhlangano yi vula leswaku ku tsandzeka ka mfumo ku hetisisa xitshembiso xa wona ku vona leswaku vuxokoxoko bya lava khumbekaka byi fikeleriwa swi veka vutomi bya vaaki ekhombyeni. Mbulavuleri wa minhlangano leyi Juanita Diopresi u vula leswaku se va teke na goza ro va na mapfhumba laha tikweni ku sindzisa mfumo ku teka goza.
It is supposed to tell us who is in our surroundings, who we entrust our children to, who you go out on a date with, but it is not available. It is not public, and we cannot even check if it is up to date. So it's a big problem, and Action Society has been calling for that since the inception of our organization, because it is so important for us. And with GBV being a national disaster, or declared a national disaster in South Africa, we think it is about time for it to be made public.
Xo hetisela mfumo Island u kombele masocha ya wona ku susa mimovha leyi a yi vekiwe emagondzweni tanihi xiphemu xa mapfhumba yo kombisa ku vilela ku lwisana swiboho swo tlakusa minxavo ya mafurha naswona ku ve na swiviko swa ku kavanyeteka ka nkhuluko wa mimovha. Muteki wa mahungu wa BBC Sarah Gavin wa vika.
Because with the price we're paying for fuel, I'm probably 2 months away from my business folding up. So really no choice. And we're not asking for a lot. We're looking for the government to reduce some of the tax and carbon tax on the fuel, just to allow business to keep going. You know, it's not a lot to ask for, really.
Hi ku hela ka mahungu mi ta yingisa man'wani hi awara ya 9 inkomo.
Mahungu eka SABC ya tiyimele ha woxe a ya voyameli etlhelo ro karhi. Mahungu na Lilian Hlabangwani emagondzweni na Xolani wa le Khenduka.
Johannesburg kuna kuhlela N12 West loko wakondza Atlas Road movha uyimile kanti la un'we kasi langutela kuhlela na le N3 North ngozile a yi ri ko a London Road loko u ri matlhelo yalawo va ri le ku basisweni kumbe yi basisiwile mara ka ha ri na ntlimbano kusuka matlhelo ya Gillilis interchange ntlimbano kona le N12 West loko nga se fika Craft Road ntilo le ka voko ra Ximatsi wa kavanyeteka a Tshwane N1 South loko kongoma Linwood Road kuna movha unga yima kanti la un'we leswi na swo swi kavanyeteka nkulu kwa movha mixololo ku va na swin'wanyana wa yi rhumela ka X Xolani Guy @Mungana Traffic #AM Traffic.
Ifilulana yena.
Phaphama.
I hear the drums echoing tonight. She hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlit wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I guess the rain's down in Africa. We're gonna take some time to do the things we never The wild dogs cry out in the night as they grow restless, longing for some solitary company. I know that I must do what's right, sure as Kilimanjaro rises like Olympus above the Serengeti. I seek to cure what's deep inside, frightened of this thing that I've become. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I guess the rain's down in Africa. We're gonna take some time to do the things we never
Subulero a ri tsundzuxa xitevetso xin'wanyana malembe ndzhaku xa ya xa matimba ngopfu mara ku xa byala ne papa Afrika-Dzonga Africa Toto fikini menwena ka siku ra namuntlha mingiseri va rhambi ka siku ra namuntlha matimba va ta na matimba swinene ngopfu hi ndlela leyiwani mbungele bramini va fikini ku endleka ka siku ra namuntlha va ku tshamisekile
ku streama imani ku vulavula xilungu
va ba xilungu ne
va business xilungu
wa xifayetela
ene xilungu lexi va hlamusela mehe
Oh,
leswi
yes.
wo vilelaka hi swona
Oh, yeah.
yeah okay kambe hi amukeleni our VIP eka siku ra namuntlha munhu wa hina wo hlawuleka muendzi wa hina
Yeah.
na va nga hi hlonipha i khale nyana va fikile wa tiva
i vanhu va ku tiva swilo swa vona va ku
ivi
fika
va
hi
fika
nkarhi
va lava mati ndi va nyika lamaya ya ku va na acid ivi va ka ya ku famba hi ku vona va ku hi tanwa hi ta ku yini avuxeni Mfungela
hayi minjani
Mfukeni
Hipfukile minjani n'wina
na hi Mfukeni
yeah
so wa tshamiseka DJ Brian
ni tshamisekile mina vula leswi a ni kombela swona
Yeah.
no a hi ta swi vona ku famba ka nkarhi bra mina a hi heleli mahlweni hi vula ku na ku humelela yini nge na swi hlametela he mbukela ri sunguleriwani matimba mina na matimu na rona matimba ka khensa ku ene mi twa kahle njhani ka siku na mi ri sunguleriwani ra Toto Africa mi yi tlherisele ndzhaku mani
Oh really? Oh, interesting. Yeah, no, risimu ra khale swinene. I tivi ku ma 2000 va ri tiva ke. Mara risimu lerin'wana leri. Yeah, tinsimu ta kahle ta khale ta tlhavula.
Swi ri wa khale loko mi ri so.
Malembe ma kona nyana ni nga tivi nkarhi wun'wana loko va vona xikandza va hlanga nga ge xi fani tani nyana mara
kahle sweswo hi leswi nga vula swona loko hi ku mina na DJ Brian yo sungula ku mbona namuntlha se loko hi vona swifaniso katsongo hi midelelini se loko hi ta vona profile yo
basopani mahlayile malembe
okay imani Matimba Mbungela futhi ni mo isungula ka ku loko kurikume wa malembe nyana DJ Brian malembe lama ya vo hina na hambi n'wina DJ Brian a kuma ku munhu na vito ra Xinghezi kambe Mbungela i Matimba a ri kona rin'wanyana lera ra vuhlonga
sesikhona mari na n'wina se makarata a hi tshikeni tirhiseni lero Matimba hi ku loko ni nghena xikolo ku sika na ha ri ntsongo na loko hi dyondzisa hi valungu le kheto leyi a va tirhisa vito ra Matimba so hi rona ni nga tirhisa rona hambileswi nkarhi wun'wana va ri bastardise wa ku Matimba i Matimba
okay a ku na problem kambe kombela ku tivanyana hi Mbungela i mani Matimba Mbungela.
So Matimba i jara le role Afrole, born and bred in Afrole, small village ndawu itsongo swinene. I mean it's not famous for anything to be honest. I guess ni kulele kona ni vele kwa well I'm a man and mbelele ku my age 1972 the 3rd of February.
Okay.
Afrole born from mother and father very visionary people. Believe in education, and actually born from a family of legacies. Arole at our village Afrole actually my great grandfather Kokwan Shingua exactly Ibon wosungula ku akuma bulandlela ku ngena ku sungula ku tshamiseka ka village so much so that our primary school in the village is named after my great-grandfather.
Wow.
Charlie Mbungela Primary School, so basically, because he was the first to settle in the village, and we're a family of many firsts, but of course, challenging circumstances in those days. But I think Magai Kulu, Maga Jones, what Jones I loom is Changan. Yoengan Funangov and Batsari, Bilvangov Kamakash Kolo, my dad. Believe it or not, in those days, in the 60s, by Jonda Leman. He was actually Aguromo Sungulaku had I think JC in the village in those days, JC Junior Certificate.
I'm
actually because mama wa Kuruleni ayibakahlekana.
Kuruleni la Kuruleni is trend.
The original. Kuruleni original.
Kambe Kuruleni ka original le pomp.
Electional ilim.
Okay.
So lava ngahlangana kona mama na date and by Kurisa. Unfortunately Papa did Baba low 1980 and out of a car accident. We were very young at that time. Kind of a turning point in our life, I must say. And I think it was interesting to also the fact that Mama Wari Abadonsa primarily Ngana school was very helpful. I was not the crash in those days, what they call learning centers. So Mama dragged me to school at the age of 4.
Okay. Now I'm saying that to see. So Miss Sungule kudonza skolo mirna 4.
Mirna 4 years, 4 years old. Started up Flora Poppy Primary School at the age of 4. Supposedly
imalembela maloko muno akhoma number 1 mtswari wa ye ari mdonzisi ku
bangunika
nhlamulo kaya.
And I BYA. My mom was very strict. Actually. I mean, I credit most of my success to her and to my wife as well. So my mom was very strict, and she actually taught us resilience, hard work, focus.
Okay.
As I said, 1980 when I was 8 years old, and that really turned things around in a big way.
Okay. And when I fumela nyana nkaroko DJ Brian la kuta yaka Ayen.
Oh, alugudle tawo.
Mara kuna huwa swona
Eh,
na night.
good.
Okay,
Eh.
so loko mi sungule mi ri 4, mi pase grade 12 mi ri 9.
And then I'm 15. I was
Yo.
15 years old when I finished my high school. Yeah, so I was very young. Yeah,
Okay.
and look, I think primarily, like I said, look, Dedwalo I was 8 years old, and one of the things that happened at the time, inspired by my dad, Mama, obviously, I was so focused on school. Of course, I was primary school. Even though in those days people used to think that it was quite hard. Mama had to decide to go about sport. So I'm a Shebin kid.
Aku ri side hustle ya vona mara ne.
Real hustle, I must say, because you're against school. I think my lab teacher
Yeah.
was too little to do anything.
Okay.
So yeah, it was a real hustle. So sometimes when people ask me what was my first job, I was a Shebin kid at the age of 8 and taking stock, selling alcohol,
Like
illegal as it was.
Shame.
But literally, that was a real turning point. And my mom was kind of half entrepreneur. It's also going to focus because all the money that she made out of that, because essentially, actually, Harold, my other elder brother, went to boarding school 6 months after my father died, which was 1981. So he really didn't see the hardships, I must say, because he had really Catholic. Of course, I think local high school, boarding school, and a good one for that matter. Because obviously, there's a tiering of kids and all that, but. He went to start there, and then Menansalna Mama, standard 4 in those days, standard 5, and then I followed him at Keto. But literally inspired by my mom and by my dad. Many things that happened. We are actually the first university graduates in our family, in the village as well.
Wow. Sabena matimba bungela ka sikora mutlamugiseri. Ita tiva kahle ka mahlweni zaka leswi.
Hi ti 16 May tilo ri ta va ri shika eShandima Worship House. Worship House yi ku tisela Project 22 live recording kusuka awara ntsevu ni madyambu. Vayimbeleri va makumenharhu lava nga ni ntoto ka stage xin'we laha ku katsiwa Ndivo Matumba, Princess M, Pastor Rudolph Mabasa na van'wana. Mathikiti ya suka ka R100 lavantshwa, lavakulu R150 ya early bird, kasi R200 ra mani na mani. Ivi VIP i R600 ya kumeka fresh combi ticket Shoprite na USave. Worship House Project 22 yi tisiwa ka wena hi City Limpopo.
Ku lahlekeriwa hi murhandziwa wa wena a swi olovi. Eka Clientele hi twisa leswaku ku lahla varhandziwa va hina hi xindzhuti swi na nkoka swinene. Hi hakela mali yo lahla ku nga sela 24 wa tiawara, naswona u kuma airtime ya ntsengo wa R200 loko u endla xikoxo leswaku u ta kota ku endla tinqingho ta wena ta nkoka. Nakambe hi sirhelela ku fika eka 13 wa vanhu eka ndzindzakhombo wun'we. SMS munghana eka 48044 yaleyo i 48044. Clientele Life i FSP ya le nawini ni muphakeri wa ndzindzakhombo wa vutomi la nga na layisense. Ku tirha tihakelo ta ntolovelo ku na swipimelo.
Hi findula na yena.
Phama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Se mi pasa mi ri na 15, a mi lulamerile ku yisa tidyondzo mahlweni mi ya ka swikolo leswikulukumba mi ri na 15.
But the interesting part, local in those days, remember, I could 1987. Career guidance, kept a very prestigious school. I go to school,
Yeah.
and I push on us so about what you're gonna do, and line look university. So, 15 is very young. You start. Usungula experiment at that age and doing naughty stuff. Wow, and all that. But anyway. Sometimes when Babu Sakura out to mean what was your first failure? I did pass my high school okay. I don't think that well, but it was really my first awakening in life where Ninga Pijakanyana. I didn't do well enough on what I wanted to do. I wanted unlike a medical school.
Unlike what
Dogodela man. Hey, Martin Sighting
Marati donziwile tona.
No, yeah, man, I know I didn't have a good grade in maths.
Okay.
But I was 15 years old and looked at then Buddha Road unlocked na repeat kunta kutoka medical school as well. And I didn't 15.
Yeah, malemba ya fume.
I along for it I family school and then Isuka dragged me I family a university. I already was a law student at University of Venda.
Okay.
So at the age of 69, enrolled at University of Venda to do my junior degree, be admin degree, ordinary degree like a social science degree, pretty much. Mara, I got a turning point in my life. You know, this failure cannot, you know, determine my future, and then I had to work very hard. Now, kona, hey, malai kalanyan, malai tichara. Dan vore lukona ingense malai sport. She's been kid, so. Mama loko natsinga loko nsungula wako leswi wena unga tsintse kuma basari ta ku ya medical school swi ti ku malenga ko ita pfuna ku endla ku hakela registration leyi n'wana ta kuma ka wa machonisa so ya ka wa machonisa and all that, but it was very clear that, you know, loko no ka nga kuma basari after my first year a swi laka nda fane tshama until I wrote heta, and then, you know, I have to go back after that, and I did get the message very clear. Hey, munhu ata hlaya na.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, mona babu kukutibuya.
Unifen.
Yes.
Okay.
And then my first year, I finished with 3 distinctions.
Wow.
That helped a lot because then got up my basari, Gazankul government, and then you couldn't go to change. At least it was a very good way of redeeming myself. Because I actually, in a way, lived up to my potential, and I look back at it, Nuku. If I had worked hard at the same way, I would have gotten my maths well and all that. So anyway, it's okay. Or alternatively, I think, you know, sometimes up to me, a bit of wake up call, to give you a bit of redirection, to realize, you know, in life you have to work double hard. You need to be resilient. You need to be focused. So I think it's for Neil from that perspective.
I'm just going to cell phone network yin'wana na cell phone network Africa kumbe division yin'wanyana vele etikweni ra Africa loko mi karhi mi kula kwala leswi mi nga kurisa xiswona ku fika laha mi nga kona ka siku ra namuntlha a mi swi vona kumbe light leyi a yi vona a nga vona kahle at the end of the tunnel?
Light leyi vonaka kahle ku ri I knew ku ri I would be something, judging from the history and also the resilience that I was taught. Akaya, from mama, from daddy, from my great grandfathers. I knew that up to someone, but I didn't know what. And the point of that is I was propelled Ibatzar.
Okay.
Now the society around us, my brothers in particular. So I think, all in all, I can't say I would have plotted my career journey to know what today I'll be the Group HR Director of Vodacom. No. However, what I knew from, especially after the metric results, I knew that you have to dig deep. You know, but focus. So from that point onwards, I knew I'm gonna work very hard and all that. Yeah.
Amerina malembe mangani loko mi graduate junior kumbe degree ya n'we ya
and then 18.
You were 18. Se ako hela degree no. Loko munhu a heta degree ya ntirhweni. So ku endleke yini loko mi heta mi ri na 18?
I didn't even kuma basari. So in those days ka mfumo loko heta basari ufuna utira, right? So I was placed, and I credit to Mr. Mbowana, who was my first boss actually. Kamrimis, Department of Agriculture.
Okay.
That's where I was placed. So, I mean, I bumped into HR by chance, to be honest, because literally social science degree, be admin degree, and then one place I can I'm gonna HR in those days. It was HR is much nicer now, you know, call it people, human capital and all that.
Yeah.
In those days I got personnel.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So Elanga place work on for my first job in 1991. And as I said, Mr. Mbowana, really, I really pay homage to him because young and plays a lot. And I started learning about it, and I realized, I love this kind of thing, and which means.
So Amirina 19.
19.
Mirina Muholo wa a professionally qualified person. 19.
I'm going Oh my goodness. My first check. I can't even remember how much it was. Honestly, I think I could work 800 and something in
Yeah.
Yeah,
So mi xave movha mi endle yini yona se a ku ri na ntombi a ku endleka yini
ntombi obvious a yi ri kona no mara xa important i ku a kaya ni a role as I said I mean phela a kaya u nga ri na gezi u nga ri na mati so mali liya yo yi nghenisa gezi kaya
se mi sungule ku support mi nga ri na 20 ya malembe.
No, I was not 19. Obviously, because my family are important. So then Harold are school in Arguets ka his law degree, and Funa Mama from 482 as well. And then also Maka Alikaya. I mean, Gezim gets a Mekaya, you know, and First TV and all those things, and helping my mom and. Yeah, so ntireka ang kwang fumar for
Mbongela le ku hlayeleleni matamanga mobule mama ka 23.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, so ba ka mama.
Na me Sandra kusina ku bla so DJ.
Mwana mama ne.
Well, remember mama nkurse from the age of 8, right? Look they develop. So literally 8 years old, the only person that you know from that time.
Yeah.
Mama was very strict.
27.
Oh my goodness. Oh, man blushes. Bar munanti manga blush. No. Yeah, very instrumental in our lives. Yeah.
Okay. Kumbishani ita famba renzo rangwena ra lentirweni. Kambe hi mhaka ya ku aneri loko mfika mina n'we vulavurili ku why mi nga dumanga mi ri xikhulu so kambe sweswi va yini leswi mi tirhaka swona.
Ni Chief Human Resource Officer for Vodacom Group, responsible for Africa. For the whole continent, yeah. So I'm responsible for all HR for all of the whole continent, across all markets where we operate. And yeah, so HR is my passion. It's all about creating a workplace that is attractive, a workplace that is the culture in the workplace is very important.
Na lava idea hi mgondzo ya lamu nga fambetela kona lamu nga koma mara ano endlela ku va ngiseri maka ku xana va swi tikumbungele imani va swi tiva swa ke hi khome boss ya Africa ndawu DJ Bright kumiyele ngopfu kasi akuna munhu a tivaka mbungele n'wanyana
ukona wa tiva munhu wa kona hi la ku va blush wa tiva hi la ku va nyanya ku blusha twa
Xile vayingiseri va MLFM eka nongonoko wa Phaphama Breakfast Show loyi a vulavulaka haleno i Mrs Fairmont Mbungela. Ndzi rhandza ku share na n'wina eka mixo lowu swilo hinkwaswo leswi endleke leswaku tatana Mbungela a humelela a kumeka a fikelerile laha a nga kona namuntlha. Xo sungula u sungurile hi ku lorha eve a tlhela a endla hinkwaswo leswi swi endlaka leswaku milorho ya yena yi humelela. Hi minkarhi leyo tala hi ri vanhu ha navela ha lorha kambe hi nga endli leswi faneleke ku humelerisa milorho leyi nga na yona. Xa vumbirhi u kumekile a ri munhu loyi a nga consistent eka leswi a swi endlaka no ku va a tirha hi ku hiteka ku va a humelerisa milorho ya yena. Xa vunharhu lexi a xi endleke lexi vo tala xi hi hlulaka i ku va hi tshama hi ri grounded by remaining humbled. Minkarhi leyo tala loko hi humelela success yi nghena etinhlokweni hi kumeka hi languta ematlhelo hi languta endzhaku hi nghena na lomu hi nga fanelangiki ku nghena kumbe hi kumeka hi ti associate na vanhu lava va nga hi pfuneki ku yisa journey ya hina ya success emahlweni. Hi marito lawa ndzi rhandza ku vula leswaku loko yena a humelerile a ri karhi a huma in a small village a role laha ku nga riki na nchumu na wena u ri muyingiseri u nga humelela. Tatana Mbungela ha khensa ku va mi inspire na ku va mi representa hinkwako hi ri community hi ri family.
Loko ba sula mhloti na tissue leyo va nyike tissue kwalani Brian va nyika na mati lama ya ku dzunga va ta ebyela kahle ku ri na va n'wi tiva njhani munhu loyi papa
eka Malamulele eka Minga ku ya fika eka Matiliyani
tshama na hina eka 91.3 FM
Munghana Lonene FM Makomba ndlela mahungu eka SABC ya tiyimele ha woxe a ya voyameli etlhelo ro karhi.
Avuxeni tinhlokomhaka ta mahungu ti yime hi ndlela leyi nhlangano wa vaaki wa Defender wa Country Wars la ku pasisiwa ka nawumbisi khomixini ya Kampi yi yisa mahlweni ntshamo ePitori wansati a baleseriwa a lova mahungu xitalo hi awara ya 9
kahle wa fona ka ngingcola kahle
Jankari
khona iza u Jankari lewa
emagondzweni na Xolani wale Kenhoek
brother
Johannesburg movha wu yimile N12 West loko wa gondza Atli Preferred Drive ntila wa le xikarhi va kavanyeteka kasi ku na ku hlwelana loko wu ri N12 West loko wa gondza Atlas Road movha wu yimile leswi kavanyetaka nkhuluko wa movha mixo lowu ngozi leyi nga ko a N3 North se yi nga le ku basisiweni ya endla ku va na ku hlwela loko wa gondza London Road loko u chayela N3 North kasi loko ri Tshwane N1 South loko kongoma Linwood Road ku na ntlimbano nako hikwalaho ka movha u nga yima ka ntilo wa le ka voko ra xinene loko ri matlhelo ya main lane loko vona swin'wanyana va yi rhumela ka X that Xolani guy @Mungana Traffic #AM Traffic
hi fikilula na yena
phaphama
yeah ikandi tlanga kandiso n'wana loko nga seka tlhokomaka ta mahungu mungela ku I mani lava
Mavativa lava.
kumbe
Inkatanga umtsundzuxi wa mina
mutsundzuxi
yeah that's my wife we've been together for 30 years actually
whoa
married for 25 Khale and we're doing this live thing together so I mean my wife keeps me grounded I mean and kind of very humble beginnings lo nhlangana yena she was 20 years old and then now 23 and we've been together since then I've got wonderful beautiful kids I happened to have one kid before I got married and then overall 3 kids Danisa who's the eldest angakulanga ndlini because nankume before and then Shiluva lovely daughter she's doing great things to Harvard doing a master's in the US and then Misho Ule London doing his masters as well in music management Shiluva masters in design so it's been great from
Evale Queen's
Tramash and actually interesting role in Tramash right like 4 kilometers away but we never knew each other Marco Kwanwa and Abandonsa same school now mom but I got Divan so after life happened somehow when I need to bounce back and broke up with my previous girlfriend then I went around looking and say hey man maybe munfana tlalakaya and actually a matchmaker my lovely friend Stan Chikani I called him and said hey bro kuna xin'wana xin'wana le kaya le and then he sungula ku search and then I found her and then we met lovely story I'm blessed hey I'm gonna say that she's gonna kick me when I arrive home loko nhlana nungishela ajela chomte akula kunhluwa
awusamtira ne
awusamtira se loko se nirkayen uhlube manzi kusitsandzile kuhluba
ambona vele ka bona vele
she's pretty she's beautiful she's beautiful lovely she's pretty beautiful
mara mena loko ni va yingiserile na swi twisisa ku mi kota na ku bula swin'we
beautiful at heart as well by the way beautiful at heart
i mhaka kane swi endleka munhu a sasekini mara kuma swa ku a nga na xa ku xivula ka vana
lots of similar characters na mama actually like being strict she knocks us to shape and doing a local guy buys with the kids and all that but very focused and she's made lots of sacrifices for you know look now before isungula says Konwan puts a bit about my career we once moved to London it's London for about 3 years
kumbisana yo ve famba igonza n'wina ra ku tirha okay so kusuka leka 800 rand leka agriculture mi sungula timhaka ta HR so ku ve ku tumbuluka rirhandzu ra HR
very much so and Maran men decided education focus are important when decided I only went there for 2 years and then come home
and
then went back to school UCT
full time Oh, okay.
And it's not easy to do that. And so but I was only 20 years old. So I decided okay, university and Kala University. So I went to UCT. I did my postgrad in HR. which was very good for a year. Loni heta 1994, still change makamfumo and all that. Nitsamanyana kamfumo for a few months, loan thalela futhi. And then I got my first break in the private sector near Amondi paper, 1994 August. And then my career grew. But honestly, career mina got shaped at Unilever when I started in 1996 at Unilever.
Kambeleka kushavisa swisibi.
Yeah.
Na swakutala.
Yeah, that's what Unilever shaped my career a lot.
Yeah.
So
Le ami endla yini kona?
I was in HR as well. Went there as a...
Okay, I win la. Kasi munhu ka HR. Did this?
I did this insane. No. HR is really, I always call it the engine of the company.
Yeah.
Because firstly is that look, usungula, when you start contact, if you think about a company, right, the first people that, other than the brand that you see outside, the first people that you really meet in a company is the HR team.
Okay.
So the kind of messages that they give you about you, the feeling warmth about what it will take to work there. It's part of it. Attraction, key talent, creating a culture in an organization whereby people feel fulfilled, whereby they align to the purpose, whereby they know, when I wake up in the morning, I feel good being at this place. How you get developed, how your career grows.
Move me thipa ka HR. Loko munhu angena munhu vona ku loyi nge ngitholi lwe.
Awulanguti the appearance. Yingisela content linga kona ka munhu. Because we judgment by the cover, right?
No, hayi ku languta ntsena. Loko se asungune ku bula na yena. Kuma ku interview ifambe nyala 5 minutes.
Ayisiyenhle.
Ingafambi kahle.
One fana nikwa chance. You never know, some people warm up later.
Yeah. Okay.
Mukumakuri abasungula kahle.
Yeah.
But along the way good content comes.
Yeah,
part of my job, I do lots of interviews, even for CEOs, right? Because that's my focus now for senior management. And of course, look, so was still you can make a judgment call somehow or no fit. Maka important what HR people do is to be able to make a decision about the organizational fit. The drive, how they show up, can they fit in the organization? Can they grow in the organization? Can they make us better as a business?
South Africa. Look, mumala South Africa in Tiro Akuru Miatra Queen.
And Nina Tera London, Paddington, when the na family 2010.
I'm Lanza in London.
HR still on assignment, under head of talent for Africa, Middle East, and Asia Pacific at the time. Got an opportunity to travel many parts of the world in Tiro in those days. Like for instance, New Zealand was probably the furthest I went in those days. Head of talent for Africa, Middle East, and Asia Pacific, and then a year later, never head of organizational effectiveness for the same region. So I was there for 3 years. The beauty about the stint in London is that sometimes ulangta success but the environment that you're in makes a huge difference.
Oh yeah.
One of the key things, I had to rebase myself.
Okay, all right. DJ Nakuto
Matimba Mungela, Chief Human Resource Officer, Kamkala Fema, Komandla Kazanga, Kavokum, Africa, Ashin.
You could win a car. You could win a car. Everyone could win a car.
Spa win a car, yibuyile. Bona nankatego wina yingwe ya 50 ati Hyundai Extras. Logo shaba stilisiwa lisuna ngenela. Kufana na 5 kg Spa Super Maize Meal, hit $39.99 iti rewards. Kumbe, 2 liter Spa Full Cream, kumbe low fat, ultra pasteurized fresh milk, hit $31.99. Utlaisa 5 rand iti rewards. Minsengo ikomeka kusukela 8 kufikela 21 April. Loko stoko sha kumeka, ntsena eka Spa, kuna spimelo.
Bulela matimba lawa nga ka Prosided 4-in-1 capsule. Loko u lava ximakiwa xa maphilisi ya ku sirhelela ya basisa ndzeni, loko hi tlhelo ya tiyisisa rihanyo ra wena hi ku angarhela, swi nga yi hi malembe. Prosided i munghana wa rihanyo ra wena ra siku na siku. Prosided yi sirhelela miri wa wena eka ku dyuhala, ku pfimba ka miri, mavabyi ya mbilu na mavabyi ya marhambu. Ringeta Prosided namuntlha kutani u langutela mundzuku wa rihanyo lerinene. Ya kumeka etikhemisi hinkwato. Loko yi nga vuli ku Prosided, a hi Prosided.
If you had to ask me about my dad and his character, as well as the things that he's taught me the most, I would say those two things are quite similar, and they come in the form of 3 pillars, all being each as important as one another. I would say those pillars are having humility, having perseverance, and also being just a kind person all around. If there's anything that my dad's told me through his upbringings and through the life that he's lived, is that regardless of whatever happens, for a person to have hope, it requires perseverance, and that's why that's such a big pillar. The other one, humility. I mean, throughout all the opportunities that my dad has given us as his kids and his family in general, he's never failed to be humble along the way, and I think that's provided him, as well as learned how to provide me with more opportunities. And kindness is just something that is a factor of a natural born leader, and that's what my dad has been to our whole community, including.
lexi va phesha huma hi tindleva xa huma hi tinhompfu lexi ni vula i xilungu lexiwa se no ngoma xi kuma kwala London xilungu lexi va mbonga
Yeah, imisho my son.
Okay.
Yeah,
kambe mi te misho
ule London.
hi lonkulu kumbe hi lontsongo?
Ilontsongo, Lasbon, yeah.
Okay.
Lasbon, yeah. He's ule London.
xi huma hi tindleve lexi a xa huma hi tinhompfu.
So misho u dyondzile la kaya u loya lukisa ya university?
Yeah, udyondzele la kaya. I mean, Binoni ilanga sungula kona, and then we moved to Midrand, and then Arna 7 look at Sama London. The move to London helped us a lot as family. Loku ya London, it's not Sama London rintsongo me, so ila matihla manga fulega kona, I suppose. And then there for 3 years, look we are then continue kwala kaya food American school, finished there, graduated with the IB diploma, and then I London. I suppose we were running off London because at high school, all he wanted to do was to go back to London.
Okay.
And then I London, is junior degree in music business management. I invested for creative arts, and then now in the master's in music business once again. Yeah, mi vanhu van'wini,
u to funga nguti Brian, ni to funga nyamalela
Yeah.
Okay, so mahaya role
Arole Anirkaya Good Friday.
Okay.
Good Friday, Easter weekend, Nansati. We're empty nesting men Nansati. Remember Kubana Barakona, so Katlate men Nansati na Katie, our little dog, and we Ash family in a look Yakaya, unfortunately. So I weekend, yeah. Always look my chance I remember Nteka in Satomino much from as well, so it's an opportunity to go.
Yeah. So nava yakaya nkarungwanya look.
Yeah.
Babuya.
Look Babuya, it's summer breaks and quiet so boy Jikaka.
Okay. All right. So if London akuri sankarutsongo mithela mbuya lakaya.
Ni buya lakaya.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was an interesting choice at the time. I must mention this. Local London and started at Tira before we went actually in the same career as well in HR.
Okay.
But she had to stop for us at Sigantiro, Kuwa London, and if you get obviously, it was tough for London. So one of the reasons why in Ranza the song Africa Toto is that look Katitimela pa London, look she Bashiram Kutika Suzuka Kaya. It was my go-to song. I got to sing and also just celebrating the continent. So it's London for 3 years. At that time, also my wife did a MBA. I would say she did it for passing time, and she passed very well. And then came back home, decided to be the CEO of the Mbungela family and looking after us as compared to going back to work.
MBA Okay, so shumile ka company kulukumba. Kulukumba swinene. Ya tinqingo. Ungaku ikhale nyana mirila ka Vodacom.
23 years I've been at Vodacom. Yeah. Lonely joiner at those days I thought I'll be there for a few years. But I found my home. Vodacom, it's built me in Funeli. I've contributed. It is the #1 top company in Africa, top employer. in Africa.
Yeah, man.
Consecutively for 3 years, we must say that. And that's credit to the team that I work with, my colleagues, the HR team across from Cape to Cairo. These are people who actually inspire me every day for us to be the best that we can be over above my family.
loko
So, yeah.
munhu a pfuka a ya ntirhweni a ri ka position leyi n'we mi nga ka yo a langute tikonkulu ra Africa i fika ofisini a endla yini
siku ra mina ri fani. I mean, something, okay, look, today is a typical example. No? I've got my days, my day is made up of many things. I must say, loko nkarhi ni kula in my career as well, one of the things that I like a lot is mentoring young people. And so in a week, my lovely PA Messi, you know, she's got to fit mentorship sessions somehow in the busy schedule that I have. I try and mentor young people. It's very important for me because ntsundzuka la ni nga kula kona, being a young person that I was, with no hope, with nothing, basically in the village that I grew up in, literally someone took a bet on me. So I like having to inspire young people, spending time with young people. So Sukramina can start from having a call with people in London, or a call with someone in Mozambique, or a call with someone in the DRC. I do a lot of connections with the leaders of the business to see, you know, what kind of culture we bring in the organization. How do we inspire people? How do we make sure that the work environment is one that is attractive and people can be fulfilled? So Sukramina can be it is filled with meetings, definitely, but mostly it will be calls from people from different parts of the. Yesterday, for instance, I had an hour call with the CEO of Ethiopia. We're trying to sort out a few things, Ethiopia and all that. Today, I've got supposed to have a meeting with the CEO of South Africa, Sito, and so we spend many hours of our days having to think about how do we create a successful business that is driven by purpose, and the one that can make sure that employees feel that they can be at their best.
There is this product called Papama. How can you actually be part of it? And, you know, it's a very big issue. And you know, whatever. Man, kuna shishi leswi va nge Papama ka Munghana Lonene man. Loko mi vulavula Munghana Lonene kuna the XMA Xitsonga Music Awards.
Oh,
a very big
DJ
product.
Brian Manyane ita swi teka
No, swa laveka wa tiva leswiwani. Mi nge ya mavhengeleni sweswiwani ha vuya
sayini ya ti-bathroom eCTM se yi sungurile yi ba kona bathroom ya wena mpfumawulo wa wena swilo swa manyunyu u ri karhi u hlayisa hi kukulu va ngheni ti-A grade tiles leswi sungaka eka 6990 square meter yimbelela ku fana na xiyimbeleri xa duma u ri exawareni ku ri ku u nga kota ku tiwinela minchumu ya bathroom leyi nga na ntikelo wa 50,000 ku ri njhani swi kambe e-online kumbe u vhakela CTM ya le kusuhi leswi swi nga ku hindi sale yi hela hi ti 3 ta May ku na swinawena na swipimelo CTM big savings more style.
Boxa xitolo xa wena lexi xi rhandzaka xi ku nyika mixavo ya le hansi masiku hinkwawo xava best cook instant noodles multi-pack 5 ta ntlhanu hi 90 rand Huggies dry comfort diapers tiphakete timbirhi hi 250 rand u nga pfukekela mixavo ya le henhla ka le ka Boxer.
One of the most important lessons my dad has taught me, something I always carry with me, is that it doesn't matter if you are the smartest person in the room. What truly takes you far in life is working hard and consistently doing your best. That's something I constantly remind myself of, and I share it with others too. My dad has never stifled our curiosity or limited our dreams. Instead, he has always encouraged and supported us wholeheartedly. Because of that support, we've been able to truly soar in the things that we are passionate about. What stands out most about him is how he approaches opportunity. When he finds one, he doesn't spend too much time celebrating it for himself. He spends his time asking how he can make sure others can access that same opportunity. When he opens a door, he doesn't just walk through it. He holds it open and brings others along with him. Papa, I just want to say thank you for inspiring us and for inspiring everyone who has the privilege of knowing you. Your generosity, humility, and work ethic continue to leave a lasting impact on all of us.
AI me phela kule xitolo sungula
Ishluwa, lovely daughter. And I'm sure she must have recorded that in the wee hours of the morning because of the time difference. Ule Boston, yeah, finishing his master's at Harvard, yeah. So thank you. Yeah, Ule Harvard, which is talking about inspiration. People sometimes ask who inspires you. Certainly, okay, DJ Brown Ule Mama, definitely foundation.
Yeah.
But Lokarukula and building, young people and all that. My kids inspire me a lot now. Okay, Danisa, we don't live together, but she's done well. She's a senior brand manager at RCL Foods, and then Shiluba and me. So just literally, they just inspire me so much. I mean, Shiluba being in Harvard. I can't. Sometimes I have to pinch myself. Think that I've got a daughter who's doing a master's at Harvard. I mean, we used to read about business cases in Harvard and all that. So inspiring. She's set to be graduating a master's in design now in May. And then Misho, of course, following his passion in music business management. Finishing his master's as well in September. I look back and say, from humble beginnings, Mama finished a matric same time Namina through correspondence.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mama Bargon.
Balobil, unfortunately, Balobil 2017. So all my lovely brothers, Putul Fred, passed on 2011. May his soul rest in peace. I did mention Papa Dedi Balobil in 1980 when I was 8 years old, and then Harold Louis. We almost grew up as twins because we were very close to each other in age. May his soul rest in peace. He also got lovely family. His kids, resilience, brilliant. His wife. Balobe 2003.
Oh.
So basically, my immediate family is my kids and my wife, and the dog. But yeah, I mean, I've got a lovely family, honestly. Lovely family. Yeah.
Mara mpambela ya moya Africa ikulu ngopfu ku manga languta ngopfu ka la minga obviously minga ikhoma mpambela ya moya mi endla yini loko mi lava ku va mi nga vi busy hi ntirho nje mi endla yini n'wina
na swi rhandza ku tsutsuma. I finished 4 comrades marathons.
Oh, now that you see.
Let you say in this good.
Yeah. Oh, Miri lo brami na ubula kona ne.
Yeah. Shut up, brami.
Yeah. Marathons I don't know. Certainly more than 20 marathons that I've run. I love running. Yesterday I did 11 kilometers, just as part of exercise. So I love exercising. And now it's my swing. I've also now, my wife is joining a bit. She hasn't done marathons and all that, but we exercise swim. And then, I also love watching Formula One. My very first experience of Formula One when I was working at BMW, I had a conference Munich in Germany.
Yeah.
And in those days, BMW used to be part of Formula One. And we were in a conference hall and Ralph Schumacher drove in a Formula One car.
Wow.
That really just blew me away. And that's my first love of Formula One. And since then, I love watching Formula One, and Misho has joined the passion as well. And also love watching football. Favorite team is Arsenal and Kaizer Chiefs, unfortunately.
On a serious note, kuna mhaka ya ku pfumala ka mintirho man.
Yeah.
Mi vona onge mi nga yi languta hi tihlo rini n'wina ngopfungopfu na laha mi nga yima kona?
Look, portfolio, I mean, it's overall, it's Africa, not only South Africa. So, I mean, and you see it, look at different, some countries suffer more than others. Fundamentally, mtiro ita create that local economic growth. Very important. However, I think in Alakaya, le Shotagngov is a match between the skills that people acquire from high school to university vis-a-vis the demands of the workplace.
Okay.
So the skills mismatch is quite a big deal. I'm inspired by Kenya as an example. At Kenya, the number of software developers that they have and they grow because of the curriculum that they have about software engineering from high school. It's just phenomenal.
Okay.
And what that does, because remember, jobs is not about being employed by a Vodacom. It's also about creating opportunities for oneself where you can be entrepreneurs and all that. So I think fundamentally,
now in the world of AI, it's very important to make sure that people have got the right skills. And I'm glad to say through the Vodacom Skills Hub, which we launched about 2 years ago, we aim to train young people in Africa. We've got a target of 1 million young people that we're going to train in digital skills. It's a free platform where people can learn digital skills, and we believe that's one of the ways we can solve the employment problem in Africa.
Maungeko ya tele ayange heli nge ya heti ku heli nkarhi DJ Brian alava ku iko atlisanyana ni khumba lava vanga
tsala
Dr. Lynette Tsani Mzerele ku bate va mitive ekhale nyana amnge hevi na nkarhi wa ku va mi hlamusela ku mitiva na njhani na Dr. Lynette ava va switsakele swinene ku vanga kayeli bulu ra hina na n'wina kasi N'wambhungele uri he holds the door for others aku hi leswi but matimba vanga swona anti ku
energy okay N'wambhungele
anti ku N'wambhungele man kasi ke respect Mashava aku u tsakisiwa ngopfu hi mhaka ya ku mi ri mentorship hi le kusuhana na n'wina
kusuka Mashava eka mashimzi bramina energy energy mashimzi uri swikhulu swa level the world ba ri mahloni phaswinene ngwena tsara ku va ri yini mhaka leyi nga tsakisa hi comment leyi va ri a va nge ku hundzi va nga ku xawetangi a basement parking
wa vativa
va ri xaka ra mina minkarhi hinkwayo
swinene lava mi tirhaka na vona
ni dyondzise mhaka humility. You know, I always say ku ri loko ni hlangana na wena wherever we are you know, ntirho it's just a moment in time. It's very important to make sure that you give people the same respect that you expect from them. So, mina one-on-one, whoever I try and make sure that I spend equal time whenever possible. So, humility is very important in life.
Mpungele, karu isin, elava kum cancer, skule skulukumba, sha Vodacom Africa. Bona, hingwe mtolaka, hingwe mhlongolaka. Natlanga ku hingwe mhlongolaka, hingwe mentaraka.
No, ni cancer no.
Nice I cancer till lay magato sorry loko vitara wena ka ngari vulanga kahle Mrs Mbungele hi mi cancer swinene na n'wina loko mi teke nkarhi ko xa xandla eka bulu ra hina na papa eka siku ra namuntlha mi ya mahlweni mi tsutsuma Mrs Mbungele swi saseke njhani swi kahle swinene Mbungele
very humbled, very humbled. And I think the message out there is that hard work, resilience, focus, and that's what both my brothers taught me. Butulfred, Budunzeki, Harold, my mom, and my wife, now my kids. So, you know, shout out to Danisa, Shiluba, Misho, and also to my cousin brothers. He said I must give him a shout out. Kombelani, you know, he's in the music industry. Leroy and Tuanano, they're doing great things as well. And all my family out there, thank you for all the support. It takes a village to raise a child, as they say. So thank you to my colleagues as well and my bosses who nurtured my career.
Nkayelo wa kahle man va vote risimu ra Heartbreak Hotel ka siku ra namuntlha Mingzeri
kambe xikulukumba lexi hi nga xi kuma ka bulu ra siku ra namuntlha eka swi na mhaka ku kule njhani ku xiyimo xi njhani
wa humelela wena
bona
oh man Kasi peace love and happiness bye bye hlangana mindzuku eka swigingi swa Afrika 10 to 12 bye bye.
Here I sit trying not to cry, asking myself why you do this to me, oh, baby. Since you're not around for me to tell you, baby, face to face, I'm writing you this letter, and this is what I have to say. All I really wanted was some other time. Instead, you told me lies when someone else was on your mind. What you do to me? What you do? Look what you did to me, oh baby. I thought that you were someone who would do me right until you played my emotions and you made me cry. What you do to me? Can't take what you did to me. Now I see that you've been doing wrong. Played me all along and made a fool of me, baby.
eka Malamulele, eka Mhinga, ku ya fika eka Mativiyana.
tshama na hina eka 91.3 FM
Munghana Lonene FM, makomba ndlela. Mahungu eka SABC ya tiyimele ha woxe a ya voyameli etlhelo ro karhi. Mahungu na Lilian Hlavangwani.